Hello friends, today we learn about relational operators. Relational operators can do the comparison in between operands. Now we'll learn now relational operators. There are few relational operators are there. I will explain one by one. Those are less than, greater than, equal, not equal, less than or equal, greater than or equal. And we can do string comparison also. We will see. I will one by one. I will explain about this. System dot println. Assume I take 1 is less than 2. So what happens if I use true? 1 is less than 2. It is true. It is less than operator. Greater than operator. 1 is greater than 2. It is false. How dot println 1 is equal to 2. That is false. So our program generated it is false. One more relational operator, not equal. 1 is not equal to 2. It is true. So we can it. And the next one is less than or equal to. Relation operator less than or equal to. System dot out dot println 1 is less than or equal to 2. It is or condition, either less than or equal. It is less than is true. So or condition it generates the true only. Let's see. It is generated true. Same, we use the greater than. Greater than equal to 2. This is also greater than or equal. Equal, greater than is false. Equal also false. Both are false. It generates the false. Yes, it generates the false. Now we can compare strings also. So we will see how the strings can compare in Java. ABC. I took the string is ABC. I'm using comparison with the equals of ABC. Both strings are ABC only. It needs to generate true. It's true. Okay, we will check one more example with the generating the false string comparison. ABC is compared with DF. So both are not equal. So it needs to generate false. It is a false. Here is a complete information about relational operators. I rewind one more time. Less than, greater than, equal, not equal, less than or equal, greater than or equal. In this, I will take the example 1 and 2 is the operands, less than or operator, and this is true, and 1 greater than 2. This is false because 1 is less than 2, but it's shown we use greater than operator, so it generated the false. 1 is not equal to 2, so this is generated false. 1 is not equal to, it is true, so it is generated true. 1 is less than or equal. Less than or equal means less than or equal. Equal, less than condition satisfies, so it generated the true. Greater than or equal, it is not the 1 is not greater than 2 or 1 is not equal to 2, so two conditions are false, so it generates false. And I am comparing strings, two strings. I am take the two strings, same two strings, and compare it by using the equals. ABC with ABC, it generates the true because ABC is equal to ABC only. So the next one, I took different strings and want to compare what will happen. ABC with DEF, so both strings are not equal, so it generated the false. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.